So let's go to Solution Explorer and create another class in the Services folder, and I'll call it iAuthor Repository GUI. And you already know what to do. First, we need to change class into interface, and the first two methods will be to get authors and get author by ID. We have to bring in the namespaces, and now we can create the rest of the methods. So the next one, we need to retrieve all books by an author. So we return collection of books and pass in the author ID. So return will be IEnumerable of book DTO, and I'll call it get books by author. And here we pass in the author ID. And the last method we want is basically the reverse, meaning that we want to retrieve all authors of a specific book. Like I said, each book can have more than one author, so that's why we are returning a collection and not a single author object. So we return IEnumerable of author DTO, and I'll call it get authors of a book. So we are returning authors of a specific book, so we need to pass in the book ID. And that's it for the author interface, and the last one is of course the book interface.